A long-legged bird quietly slips out of traditional Chinese ink painting.
Hi there, welcome to my Oriental Handcraft journey. Today I'm so excited to share with you a new artwork. A long-legged bird.
To explore the world, it changes into starred red canvas shoes, firmly stepping on freedom and distance. Even the passing little fish add Oriental charm to its journey. This piece is entirely handmade. Design, internal framing, external clay shaping, and layered painting endows unique vitality and warmth to this long-legged bird, with timeless Oriental elegance.
To craft with joy and to wear as a portrait. Hope you love this Oriental art piece. See you next time. Bye bye.